Hey y'all, my name is Brandy Lachey, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, this is part 3 of our maintenance series. After heat styling and trimming my hair, I always try to squeeze in one more style, just something different or something that I don't normally do as often. And today, that's going to be a Flexi Rod set. My hair products of choice come from the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Morocco line. I'm using the Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner and the Style and Shine Foam Mousse. These products are always in my back pocket because they're easily accessible and they smell wonderful. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, my hair is stretched, and I'll leave part 1 and 2 in the cards above. I'll also leave them down below in the description box, just in case you want to watch those videos before or after this one. And sorry about my face, my scalp was a little tender this day, and I guess I can't hide my expressions well. I have these flexi rods which I am intending to use. I even sorted them out as a reminder of the direction they're following as I apply them. Just so you can see what I mean, I'm going to take this medium-sized section of hair, which I'll be using to apply my first flexi rod. I begin by spraying a light mist of the leave-in conditioner, followed by 1 to 2 pumps of the foam. I'm keeping in mind to move quickly because I want to beat the speed of my hair wanting to revert. For application, my main goal is to get my ends wrapped smoothly around the rod before wrapping the length of my hair around the roller. Also, I want these curls to be set away from my face, so all the pink rollers will get twirled the opposite way from the green rollers, which I'll apply on the other side. And note that I bend the rollers against the top of my hair to keep the rod secure. It kind of resembles a candy cane. Again, I'm grabbing a medium-sized section, and the goal is to have the curls flowing away from my face. I applied a little spritz of the leave-in spray, followed by some foam before twirling the rod up my hair shaft and securing the base, bringing that tail end of the rod right on top of the section. You know it's done correctly because when you move your hands completely, that rod won't move. And look, another candy cane. Now, this is not particularly a tutorial on how to achieve the best flexi rod set, but my intention is to show what I would normally do to my hair post straightening, as a way to preserve my hair a little bit longer without adding more heat. This is a great time to try something you wouldn't normally do, just to see yourself a little different. I may not have control of much, but I do have control over my appearance. Naturally, I pretty much look the same all the time, so it's nice to feel like I've switched it up a little bit. Speaking of switching it up, how are y'all feeling about 2025? Do we care? For me, this is definitely the season of being still and listening to God and letting Him guide me through whatever He wants to guide me through. And I'm praying for everyone's happiness and joy to bring them into the new year. Anyways, all of my rollers have been installed with 2 to spare, and I'm gonna apply this large hairnet to keep my hair intact as I sit under the hooded dryer. Which, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I literally always apply this hairnet over my hair before I get under the dryer. It just keeps my hair from blowing every which way while it's drying. Nevertheless, I'll sit under this hooded dryer for about an hour and 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back and ready to start the removal process. Right now, the main thing to worry about is making sure everything is completely dried. I was pretty confident because I didn't start off on soaking wet hair. I actually did the opposite. So when you see me just going for it, taking down these rollers at the front of my hair, just know it's because of the confidence. If you are not as confident, test out your hair's dryness by taking down a curl towards the nape, just in case. The front is unforgiving. Also, don't forget to stretch out a curl slightly to test out that spring back. Sometimes I think my hair is dry and that is not the case, but that spring back, it's a guarantee. Just trust me, okay? One thing I learned, the style is not a style unless you style it first. So I'll begin separating each curl about 5 times for volume and fullness. Always keeping in mind to reinforce that curl by twirling the ends back in the direction it was set. Once I reach the front, I don't separate my hair as much because I want those curls to last a little bit longer. Remember, the front is unforgivable. To top everything off, I like to disguise my parts by going in with my pick, staying close to the root, and with intention. And this is how we look. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for part 4. Again, my name is Brandy Lachey. I hope to see y'all in the next one, and have a happy new year. Bye.